Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the case study related to CAD CAMSIN. Case study on how to reducing the labor cost using industrial engineering techniques or some other technologies. Please anyone say how to reduce the labor cost of any industries. Yeah, it's correct. First one we have to reduce the human effort. Then next we have to incorporate the automation system. Okay, then any other answers? Okay, we have to reduce the labor cost means automatically we have to reduce the human effort, which means we have to incorporate the all the equipments with the automation system. Automation system means we have to including the material handling equipments and conveyors. We have to use the some of the industrial robotics to reduce the human being means automatically we have to reduce the labor cost. So what are the other techniques to reduce the case study means we have to increase the auditing procedure like monthly audit and weekly audit means automatically we have to reduce the human effort. At the same time the productivity will be increased. So if the productivity will be increased and the human effort will be reduced means automatically the labor cost will be reduced. Okay, what are all the techniques we have to follow in the reducing human effort? So these are all the some of the auditing techniques for reducing the labor cost. First, step one, we have to selection of the target area to be audited. Which area we have to audit it. Second one, identification of the MPU losses occurring in the current situation. Whenever the losses occur means we have to reduce that productivity in that particular area. Okay. Third one, study the potential for making improvements and estimation of the increase of productivity that can be obtained. Whenever the improvements, step 4 is determination of the issues to be addressed by the productivity improvement in project team. In that particular project team where the productivity losses taken place, we have to identify that part. Then last part is preparation of the master plan for productivity improvement. We have to develop the PDCA cycle. PDCA means plan to check act. We have to follow that TQM product to prepare the master plan for improving the product quality of that particular areas. Okay, then this is the some of the master plan designed areas. First we have to determine the product. What are the products available in marketing? First determine the product to be studied and establish the target cycle time. We have to main aim of that our project is to reduce the lead time or cycle time. Then third one, establish the standard model and basic design, detailed design and finalize the plan. We have to finalize that master plan means automatically we have to improve the productivity. At the same time we have to reduce the shift of that labor working. So automatically we have to reduce the labor cost. First to perform the method improvement efficiency. Then second one, establish the rate of production to maintain the current and monthly outputs. Then third one, perform analysis of current operations using most and establish the standard time for each operation. Then next one, extract the improvement ideas and create some new alternative source to arrange the how to incorporate the automation system into the MNCs. Then next one, you can evaluate the alternative plans and perform a detailed study of each process step and operations. Then finally, you have to explain the improved layout and allocation and operator and operations assignments. Finally, we have to how to implement the automation system for reducing the labor requirements. These are all the important procedure to follow to reduce the labor cost of that any MNCs or particular specified industries. And this is the system for surveying the potential improvement. How to identify the system will be improved means we have to identify the potential improvements of that particular problems. First we have to allocate the operators for each operations and you have to combine the automation system for 3-4 operation, means automatically we have to reduce the two operators for that particular operations. Then you have to store the material levels. We have to maintain the storehouse, or otherwise we have to maintain the um, design review and value added analysis and yield analysis, and how to reduce the inventory cost. These are all the material parts. And machine wise, we have to arrange the machining operations for assembly operations. Summary of that case study is, in the current business environment, there is a never ending escalation of customer needs, which means the customers always expecting the cost, delivery and quantity. So we have to use the just in time concept. We have to take the order for limited orders and deliver the product within the time to the customers. Then constantly in manufacturing situations, a continuous review of how work is done and how it can be improved, a subject of high priority. We have to give the high priority to the regular customers and other quality session. Then use of new technology and applications of automation and mechanizations are indispensable for productivity improvement, which means we have to incorporate the automation systems like material handling equipments and other softwares. However, the correctly evaluating the existing production situation and proceeding to improve it through better methods and management are also important. And to accomplish such activities and effective applications of IE techniques, like other already I told, how the industrial robotics are included in industries and how can play a key role to both productivity audits and the making the sufficient productivity improvements. At the same time, we have to reduce the labor cost. This is the entire, we have to follow the entire auditing methods and automation system, means we have to automatically reduce the labor cost of their particular industries. Okay, next class we have discussed the another case study related to just in time. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.